Hello, this is Arvi. I'm Chandra, and in this video, we're going to walk through the weekly and daily cycle analysis for TripAdvisor. That's symbol TRIP. One of our level 4 members asked for this chart this morning. I thought it was pretty interesting, and I wanted to share it with you guys on YouTube here. Just as a heads up, all of our level 4 members over at askSlim can get our weekly and daily cycle analysis on any two symbols of their interest every single week. So it's a great way to learn our analytical style and also look to implement that in your own analytical work as well. So what we're seeing here in TripAdvisor is that we are in this intermediate term rising phase here, and you can see the massive move that we've had here. Now note that we are very far away from our 34-week moving average, which is this blue line here. This is a 34-week simple moving average, and we are actually as far as we have ever been from this 34-week moving average. Now, what does that indicate? It indicates that the odds favor a little bit of mean reversion here on the downside. What I also want to highlight is this rising 13 periods simple moving average, which is this black line. What we're looking for is for this to slowly work its way back up, and looking for a test of this intermediate term 50 to this intermediate term 61.8. So that comes in at around 48.14 to around $44 or so. Now the next intermediate term low is due 322 to 53. If we go ahead and shift over to the daily chart, we can add some further color here. So on the daily chart, we have a dominant daily cycle, which is then broken up into these minor half cycles. So what that means is that we see a visible dominant short-term money flow pattern, which is then broken up into minor money flow patterns. And I want to just briefly illustrate this. So we are in this short-term rising phase on this dominant cycle. And note this minor cycle low that came in right around the early to middle part of March, right? You can see this little bit of a bull flag that formed here. That formed the minor cycle low. Then we got into a rising phase on that minor cycle, and that led to that rally there. Now what's going on at this point is that we have two cycles pushing down here, where we have the dominant cycle pushing down as well as the minor cycle pushing down. This is a period of heightened downside risk. The next short-term low is due 412 to 429. So what we're really looking for is overall for TripAdvisor to work its way lower here. And as I mentioned, we are looking for a test of this intermediate term 50 to the intermediate term 61.8. If you like this video, please go ahead and hit the like button on YouTube. You can also go ahead and sign up for our channel. We do post fresh content very regularly. Lastly, if you're interested in learning more about askSlim, please head over to askSlim.com. And if you're interested in learning more about the trials that we do have right now, please write to Matt at askSlim.com. Thanks again, and have a great day.